In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy travel insurance online using Voyager Insurance. If you're unfamiliar with the process of getting travel insurance, don't worry, I'll guide you through every step. First, let's go over the Voyager Insurance homepage, where you'll find a clean and simple layout. One of the advantages of this site is its user-friendly design, which makes navigating through the various insurance options easy even for beginners. On the homepage, you'll see a variety of insurance plans for different types of travelers, whether you're going on a short trip or planning a long international adventure. What I like about Voyager Insurance is the detailed descriptions of each plan. You'll know exactly what's covered, from medical expenses to trip cancellations. This clarity is one of their strong points. Now, let's walk through the process. Start by selecting your travel details, such as your destination, trip dates, and personal details. You'll see different options depending on your needs. Their system is quick, and after you input your information, they'll give you an instant quote, showing both basic and premium coverage options. You can compare them to choose what suits your trip and budget best. Next, you can select add-ons like coverage for extreme sports or higher medical expenses, which might be essential if you're planning adventurous activities. Voyager Insurance also has affordable pricing for comprehensive coverage, making it a solid choice for travelers who want both security and affordability. One of the downsides, however, is that their customer support could be more accessible via live chat, as it is currently mostly email-based. But overall, their quick service and clear pricing make it easy to overlook this small inconvenience. Now, a quick recommendation. I've recently discovered a very reliable service called Ecta Traveling that offers competitive travel insurance. If you're comparing options, definitely check them out. I've linked to them in the description below, so feel free to explore them after watching this video. As you continue through the process on Voyager Insurance, you can review the final policy summary before making your payment. The payment process is secure, and you'll receive your travel insurance documents via email immediately. Make sure to visit the link in the description for more travel insurance options. That's it for today's guide. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more travel tips, and I'll see you in the next video.